आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello everyone. The question says that account for the following. So first one is pKb of aniline is more than that of methylamine. So in first we are going to discuss about the basic nature of aniline and methylamine. Okay, methylamine. So according to question, as which have more basic nature, which will have more basic nature, which will have more basic nature, will have higher value of Kb and lower value of pK. Okay, so what is the reason of having lower value of pKb in aniline, okay, in methylamine? So the reason is here in aniline, due to the resonance, okay, due to the resonance of lone pair, the lone pair will go in resonance in benzene, okay, and delocalization of lone pair takes place. Basically it will form NH2 positive charge. This pi bond will shift here. So in this manner the delocalization of lone pair of electron of nitrogen takes place. So due to the delocalization of lone pair of electrons are not available to donate. Okay, so electrons are not available to donate. So if electrons are not available, so how it will be a basic? But in case of methyl, CH3 will exert plus I effect and increases the electron density on nitrogen. So it will be more basic. So higher the value of basic nature, okay, higher will the value of Kb and lower value of the pKb. That's why CH3 or CH3NH or methylamine have lower value of pKb and that of aniline. This is the reason. Okay, coming to the second one. Second question is that methylamine solution in water react with ferric chloride solutions to give precipitate of ferric hydroxide. So the reason of second is also in our first question. The plus I effect of methyl makes methylamine more basic than water. So methylamine react with water to produce hydroxide ion. So basically reaction what takes place is CH3NH2, okay, react with water, so it is more basic, okay, so it will donate its lone pair to the upcoming H plus from water and it will form CH3NH4 positive and generate OH ion. This hydroxide ion basically, okay, this hydroxide ion react with ferric chloride precipitate hydrated ferric oxide. The reaction is here. Twice FeCl3 react with 6OH ion and form Fe2O3 dot 3H2 and releases the chlorine ions, 6 chlorine ions. So this is the hydrated ferric oxide precipitate. So third we have aniline does not undergo Friedel-Crafts reaction. So the reason of third is why aniline does not show Friedel-Crafts reaction. Okay. So this is aniline which have NH2 here. Okay, and we are going to react with suppose we are taking CH3Cl and we are taking AlCl. Okay, now AlCl3 work was to generate electrophile. Okay, what it will take, CH3Cl plus AlCl3. This aluminum chloride acts as a Lewis acid. It acts as a Lewis acid, and from chlorine it takes the electron and it will remove it, and it will generate CH3 plus a electrophile. And this electrophile which generated here is the CH3 will attack on, suppose will attack on a benzene ring and form compound, and this is called Friedel-Crafts reaction. But what happens, we have taken aniline here, and AlCl3 in the reaction. So AlCl3 is a Lewis acid and NH3 is a base. Okay, so instead of taking electron from chlorine, it will take electron from the nitrogen. Okay, acid base reaction takes place. And always remember that acid base reactions are always fast reactions. So this will dominate over generating here a electrophile. And AlCl3 itself attack on a benzene ring and form a salt, that is NH2 positive and AlCl3 negative. So this will be generated and no Friedel-Crafts reaction is taking place. What is Friedel-Crafts? Substituting a methyl group on a benzene ring is known as Friedel-Crafts reaction. So in this, our reagent itself react with the benzene ring, so it will not show Friedel-Crafts reaction. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।